Dear students, a question. Human body receives from atmosphere a number of chemicals. What types of action result in the combined effect that is less than the sum of isolated effect of this chemical on the body? Answer options. A. Antagonism. B. Synergistic effect. C. Isolated action. D. Potentiation. E. Complex action. Types of combined effect of chemical substances on the organs. Let me explain all the given options here. What is antagonism? Antagonism is less than an additive action. Mutual weakening of toxic effect of poisoning. 1 + 1 less than 2. Example. A severe drop in the blood pressure resulting from barbiturate overdose can be reversed by administration of vasopressin. The next, mercury toxicity can be reduced by chelation. The mercury ions with dimercaprol. The next type of combined effect is summation, additivity, an arithmetic addition of separate toxic effects. 1 + 1 = 2. Example, 2 central nervous system depressants taken at the same time, a tranquilizer and alcohol, often cause depression equals to the sum of that caused by each drug. The next type, potentiation, more than an additive action, a mutual sharp increase of toxicity of each toxin at combined action. Potentiation occurs when a chemical that doesn't have a specific toxic effect makes another chemical more toxic, one more than one. Examples: the hepatotoxicity of carbon tetrachloride is greatly enhanced by the presence of isopropanol. The other example, warfarin, is bound to plasma albumin, and therefore drugs which compete for binding sites on albumin increase the level of free warfarin to 4%, causing fatal hemorrhage. Synergism can have serious health effects. With synergism, exposure to a chemical may drastically increase the effect of another chemical. Examples: exposure to cigarette smoke and radon results in significantly greater risk for lung cancer than the sum of the risk of each other. The combination of exposure to asbestos and cigarette smoke results in significantly greater risk for lung cancer than the sum of the risk for each. The hepatotoxicity of ethanol and carbon tetrachloride is much greater than the sum of the hepatotoxicity of the each. So, in this question, the type of combined effect that is less than the sum of isolated effect is obviously antagonism. The rest have been explained before. Thank you.
Disclaimer: BASE of 2019 is a non-commercial project, and this video is presented by Dr. Olena Beskrovna. She is PhD in Ecology and Professor of Hygiene.